Okay, so this will be a pretty low effort video, because I wanted to get this out as soon as possible. This is some art type stuff like I genuinely do not know how this got here. So I had opened up the random moveset server yesterday at like 3:50 and waited for people to join. There was nothing out of the ordinary. Credits room still up and kicking. Testing room is still bare bones. The usual. Some random joined and left. Then we won't believe it. Spooky appearance. Oh, so scary I shit my pants. But seriously, as I was exploring around I heard this. There was some kind of white noise coming from the general direction of the towers. I didn't pause it because I hadn't put down any noise blocks besides the one by the monolith in the lab, and I didn't see any sound blocks around either. If anyone knows what this is, then please tell me, because I'm genuinely so bewildered by this. You'll be investigating this, so I might actually still do Roblox content after New Year's, because this is kinda a big deal. And before you say it, yes, I am overreacting, shut the f up about